Hello everyone, this is a listening comprehension task. Read the questions in the description box, then listen to the story and try to answer them. The answer key will be at the end of the video. Check the description box again for additional exercises and tasks. Have fun! British Easter traditions. Easter is one of the most colorful and cheerful holidays in the United Kingdom. It usually takes place in spring, when the weather becomes warmer, flowers start to bloom, and the days grow longer. For many people in Britain, Easter is a time to spend with family, enjoy traditional food, and take part in fun activities. One of the most popular symbols of Easter in the UK is the Easter egg. Shops fill their windows with bright, shiny chocolate eggs wrapped in colorful foil. Kids often wake up on Easter morning and search the house or garden for hidden chocolate eggs. This activity is called an Easter egg hunt, and it is very exciting for young children. Sometimes parents hide the eggs, and sometimes the magical Easter bunny is said to bring them during the night. Another important part of the British Easter holiday is food. A traditional Easter treat is the hot cross bun. This is a small, sweet bun made with dried fruit and spices. It has a white cross on top, which is made from sugar or flour paste. Hot cross buns are usually eaten on Good Friday, and many people enjoy them warm with butter. In many towns and villages across Britain, there are also special Easter events and traditions. One fun activity is egg rolling. People roll decorated eggs down a hill and watch them spin and bounce on the grass. The egg that rolls the farthest without breaking is the winner. This tradition is very popular with children and families who gather in parks and gardens. Easter is also a religious holiday for Christians. On Easter Sunday, many people go to church to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus. Churches are often decorated with beautiful spring flowers, such as lilies and daffodils, creating a bright and peaceful atmosphere. For many British families, Easter is also a great time for a short holiday or a day trip. Because there is usually a long weekend, people visit the countryside, walk in parks, or spend time near the sea. Overall, Easter in the UK is a joyful celebration full of chocolate, traditions, and family moments. It brings together delicious food, colorful decorations, and fun outdoor activities that people of all ages can enjoy.